All right, for this next appointment, the customer is stating that the pump doesn't work. Well, before I go and turn that on, I want to point out that this used to be a city water system, which probably had a combo valve. Yes, I know it's an anti-siphon valve. I call it a combo valve. Carry on. That came up out of there and connected to that 1-inch indexing valve. And yeah, that's a 6-zone indexing valve. Yuck. All right, let's see what this pump is doing. Well then, it's seized, and if I leave it, eventually it'll trip the breaker, but we don't need to trip the breaker. We're gonna replace the pump. All right, let's go get a pump. That looks like the right one. In the truck you go. Oh geez, here we go with another one of his cutscenes. Did he hurt the material? No, it's in a box. With all of that stuff in my cart, just off camera, we're ready to go. I start by cutting all the PVC plumbing out of my way, and then I work on getting the wires out of the back of the Berkeley pump. I got the Berkeley pump out of my way, and now we're ready to wire in the GT15. I do have to cut some of the wires to make sure everything fits cleanly, and then I check the pump with the controller before I plumb in the PVC pipes. After confirming the pump works with electricity, it's time to plumb it in. I always start with the intake because that's the easiest to work with in most cases. So I started cutting this with my reciprocating saw and quickly found out it was busting the pipe, so I came back with my manual saw to make that easier for me. After getting the intake together, I worked on the discharge. It was time to connect the 1.5-inch discharge from the pump to the 1-inch pipe in the field.